Now that we understand the basic operation in any transformation, we will learn a bit more about how do we use several coordinate systems as references to transform objects. At first, we have seen that the coordinate axis in the center of the scene belongs to the global coordinate system, and this is the main spatial reference. But we also have other coordinate systems that become useful in specific tasks, such as modeling, but also animating and texturing. For starters, every single object in the scene is actually a coordinate system, an autonomous, independent one. The coordinates in this system have their origin at a point not surprisingly called object's origin. It is represented with an orange dot which is visible all the time when the object is selected or active. When we transform an object, actually we are rotating or scaling up or down this coordinate system, and when we move it, we are just translating this coordinate system's origin. The system inherent to an object is called the local coordinate system. This has many advanced applications, but we are going to see one of them right now. Because we can restrict the transformations to the local coordinate system. Previously, we have seen that by typing an axis key such as Y, transform is restricted to such axis in the global coordinate system. If we type twice the same axis key instead of just one time, restriction will apply to the local coordinate system. A third touch on the axis key will remove the restriction. Let's see it in this example. You can see how this allows us to control transformations on objects already rotated whose local coordinate system axes aren't parallel to the global system anymore. Actually, this second touch of an axis key can refer to other coordinate systems, not just the local one. To which one refers depends on the option selected in this menu. When this menu has the global or local options selected, the second touch will refer always to the local system. If one of the other options is selected, normal, view, gimbal, it will refer to this. This same menu also indicates which coordinate system is used as a reference when transformation widgets are enabled. The transform widgets are a tool which allows us to transform visually objects and geometries. In some particular cases they are really useful, but since we should get used to the shortcuts and they add perceptual noise, it's advised to not use them at the beginning. They are enabled and disabled using this button or pressing Ctrl and the spacebar. Finally, let's highlight that we can use undo and redo like in other applications, using respectively Ctrl-Z and Ctrl-Shift-Z. In addition, we can check the undo history and the step we are currently right now using Ctrl-Alt-Z. The number of undo steps is 32 by default. This can be modified through the Preferences window. Just be aware that this affects RAM memory availability.